Hey yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel. It's me, Richie Kevin, and today's video it's on DJI GO. So for those people who do not know DJI GO is a drone company which makes drone, and if you guys have an account of it, you can log in into it and unlock many features of DJI drone and other stuff, and you can also order DJI drone from their website as well. So let me teach you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. So let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to the search engine and search for DJI login. Once you search for it, you want to click on the first option where it says DJI account login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to DJI drone's official page where you guys can log in into your account. Now once over here, you want to enter the email address of your account. After entering the email address, you want to enter the password. And if the email address and password you enter over here is correct, once you click on login, you should be able to log in into your DJI GO account. And if you forgot the password of your account, you can always click on forgot password to recover a DJI account's password as well. And if you guys have not created an account yet, you can click on create a DJI account to create yourself a DJI account as well. And if you guys created a DJI account using Facebook or Google, then basically you want to click on over here these two options. If you want to log in through Facebook, click on Facebook. If you want to log in through Google, click on Google. After clicking on it, it's going to ask for information. If it is Facebook, it's going to ask for Facebook ID. If it is for Google, it's going to ask for your Google information. And after providing necessary information, you should be able to log in into your DJI account. So I hope you guys were able to understand the video on how you guys can log in into DJI GO. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. It's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. Have a nice day.